guys, it is your girl Yamani Plush. Welcome back to the channel, the video, the banger, whatever you want to call it. I am your girl Yamani Plush. How are you? Nice to meet you if we have not formally met, but if we have, thank you so much for returning. And if you have not subscribed as of yet, hold on.
What you waiting for? What you waiting for?
Like, what's the issue? What's the problem? Do we have beef at this point? Like, I really don't understand. If we don't, then hit the subscribe button and do yourself a service by not having to type in my name every time you want to see a video, or whenever you feel like being nosy. Just subscribe. It makes it easier, so that way you get the notifications whenever I post. Duh.
Yeah, come on, push your button.
Alright, you guys, so without holding y'all up too much longer, today we are trying on some rainbow clothes. Now, granted, I haven't worn rainbow clothes in so very long since I've been an online shopper. I literally shop for everything online. I don't know why I do it unless I'm picking up some last minute stuff, but that's just the person I am. I like to shop online. It's just the reality of it. You know, you could call me a millennial, whatever you want to call it, but I just like to shop online. So with that being said, I haven't worn rainbow clothes literally in, I want to say, what, 6 years? So yeah, it's time to go back and dive into some old roots and see like if they upgraded, because I used to feel like their clothes used to look a little old lady-ish on me as a young kid. So now it's time as an adult to see how it kind of looks on me, if it kind of matches my personality or whatever, blase blase. So I felt like I said that so fast, and why did I just snap my mouth like that? Yeah, let's get into this video. Yes, you guys, so let's get into these looks, honey. So this bodysuit is giving me so much life right now. I love it. The fit is so nice. Literally, the only bad thing I have to say about this bodysuit is that it didn't have the lining like other companies that I tried on. But, you know, if you don't have no plans on returning it, and if it looks like there's no stains, then hey, do what you do. But these pants are giving me Selena's. This bumper was taken off by the Selena's, honey. Like, these pants are giving me life. Do you hear me? They are so nice. They fit my bottom so nice. They are really tight. They're the perfect fit, like everything. Now, I have to show y'all the bottom. Do you see the bottom of these pants? This is the Selena that is given. This is what it's given as far as Selena goes. Like, these are fire. If they were red, oh my God. just call me Selena. Period, poo. Period. So, moving forward, we have this ribbed knit cami dress. And it's kind of cute for what it is. You know, it's short. I like the length of it. I wish the straps were a little bit thicker and the buttons actually buttoned up in the front. Well, no, because I got big boobs, so no. But I wish the ruffle, it would not ruffle by the buttons. You see what I'm talking about? Like right there in front of the ruffles. It just does too much for me right there. But other than that, I like it, as you can tell. This is why I do my hauls without the sound, because I like to listen to music and it gives me the energy I need. Moving forward, we gonna model this corduroy jacket, and this corduroy jacket was given. It was really comfortable. I don't know how much it will hold up in cold weather, but it was really comfortable and warm, and I did get hot after I took this damn thing off. So yes, it's really giving fall going into winter vibes. So yes, honey, yes. Look at me. Ooh, I was feeling myself. So we have this striped jumpsuit in 1X, and I would say that this is a perfect fit. I did not like that I couldn't put, you know, that I couldn't take the band off, like the tie off, but that's okay. It came like that for a reason, and it looked cute on the model, so that's why I bought it. And it is such a staple. You could throw a blazer on top. You could really style this up. So I didn't mind that. I didn't mind it. And it also kind of camouflages the fact that I got a gut, which isn't so bad. So, yes. Moving forward, we got my favorite piece that you've seen from the thumbnail, which is this money mesh top. It is all about the dineros, honey. Where is J-Lo and Cardi B when you need them? This top is giving me everything. It's mesh, but it's not too mesh. So where you seeing all my goodies underneath, you can't even see my cleavage. All you see is black bra, honey. So this top is giving. It's the perfect mesh. It's not giving away too much, and it's not concealing too much at the same time. So as you can tell, I'm feeling my little self, listening to some Chris Brown, Broke Off Your Back, and this leather skirt. I like the leather skirt because it wasn't plain. It had like these little pleats on the side that was stitched into it, and it was so cute. Look at me, broken off my back. Look. This is why I need to listen to music, because the energy I have versus the energy I don't have when I don't listen to music is trash. So that's why I need music. So please forgive me, guys. So yes, this outfit was giving. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in for yet another Yamani Plush production. If you want to see your girl when she's not here on YouTube, you can follow her on Instagram and TikTok at Yamani Plush _. I'm literally right now changing clothes to get ready to go somewhere because I'm running late. So I'm so very sorry that you know, I don't have on an outfit right now. But yeah, so as you can see, my hair is tied up in a ponytail. Like, I'm just like trying to go, y'all. So I love y'all so very much. Thank you for tuning in. Once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, the bell, so you can be notified whenever I post. Share this with your friends and comment down below so we can start a little thread at the bottom, so we can be more than just friends. We can become family. Okay, so until next time, you guys, peace.